Looking for an efficient way to turn biomass waste into valuable fuel? This is our biomass briquette machine, designed to produce high-density fuel briquettes from various biomass materials. The raw materials can be sawdust, wood chips, rice husk, straw, and other biomass waste. Before briquetting, the material needs to be properly dried to ensure suitable moisture content and better forming performance. After drying, the material enters the briquette machine, where the loose biomass is compressed into high-density, dimensionally stable fuel briquettes under high pressure and heat. At the outlet, an adjustable baffle system helps control the length of the briquettes, ensuring consistent size and convenient packaging and transportation. The machine features continuous operation, simple structure, and high efficiency, making it suitable for biomass fuel production and waste recycling projects. To create a cleaner working environment, we can also equip the production line with smoke and dust removal systems according to customer requirements. Now let's take a look at the finished biomass briquettes. They are compact, easy to store, and can be widely used as an eco-friendly alternative fuel for heating, boilers, and industrial applications. If you are interested in starting your own biomass briquette production project, contact us for a customized solution.